To the Honorable Mr. Dendi Desma, my English teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ratu Daarin from class 12 Science 3, and in this video, for my English and Chemistry practical examination, I am going to do the acid-base indicator experiment. I am going to be using 3 indicators. The first one is red spinach, the second one is turmeric, and the third one is butterfly pea. The things you will need to do this experiment is red spinach, mushed turmeric, and butterfly pea, and then some salt, vinegar, and detergent, 12 cups, some spoons, and some water. The first step is to put your red spinach, mushed turmeric, and butterfly pea into 3 different cups and to mix it with some water. Just mix it for a few minutes and then let it sit for a few minutes. So after you let it sit for a few minutes, it would look something like this. The color of the butterfly pea and water mixture is a purplish blue. The color of the red spinach and water mixture is a pinkish red, and the color of the turmeric and water mixture is orange. The next step is to take 9 of the remaining cups and fill 3 with vinegar and water, the other 3 with salt and water, and the last 3 with detergent and water. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is to take your red spinach and water mixture and pour it into the vinegar solution, detergent solution, and the salt and water solution. And then observe any change in color. And also you're gonna want to do that to the other 2 ingredients as well. This is the first indicator, which is the red spinach and water mixture. When it is poured to the vinegar solution, it turns to bright red. When it is poured to the salt water, it turns to a bit more purpley shade. And when it is poured to the detergent solution, it turns to a deep purple. So from that, we can conclude that the vinegar solution is acidic, the salt water is a weak base because of the slight change in color, and the detergent solution is a base. So this is the original turmeric and water mixture, and when it is poured to the vinegar solution, it turns to bright yellow. And when it is poured to the salt and water, it turns slightly brown, but barely. And when it is poured to the detergent solution, it turns to brown. So from that, I can conclude that the vinegar solution is the most acidic out of these 3, and the detergent solution is the most basic out of these 3. So this is the last indicator, which is butterfly pea and water mixture. And when it is poured to the vinegar solution, it turns to a pinkish red. And when it is poured into the salt water, it turns to true blue. And when it is poured to the detergent solution, it turns green. So from that, we can learn that all the three indicators shows the same result. So the conclusion is that the detergent solution is a strong base, the salt water is a slight base or weak base, and the vinegar solution is acidic.